On the agenda of this new episode, we have Visa and Railsbank, Mediakind streaming solution, India's regulatory authority and broadcaster, Korean bank compliance shortfall, YOTI SYNETICS, and we will end with Capgemini World Fintech Reports 2020. Visa backs open banking and compliance platform Railsbank. Railsbank, the open banking and compliance platform, has picked up a further investment following the company's 10 million Series A in September 19. This time, banking comes from Visa, a strategic investment, if you will, along with Global Brain, a venture capital firm based in Tokyo, Japan. The exact amount isn't being disclosed. Through sources back, it is several millions US dollars. In addition to investment, Railsbank is announcing that it has signed a 5-year partnership with Visa to deliver banking as a service innovation in Southeast Asia and recently became a Visa principal issuing members. Quote, being a principal Visa member and by joining Visa's FinTech Fast Track program, Railsbank can now access Visa's growing partner network, technology and experts, enabling Railsbank customers to rapidly and efficiently launch Visa-based products throughout Asia and beyond, explained the company. Mediakind to offer streaming solution as a service via Google Cloud. TV technology provider Mediakind has extended a partnership with Google Cloud to enable its Aquila streaming solution to be offered as a service on the Google Cloud platform. The launch enabled Mediakind customers to tap Google Cloud's ecosystem to deploy its media processing capabilities and optimize the distribution of their OTT services, according to the company. Mediakind said that the cloud-native Aquila streaming solution can deploy on the bare metal, private cloud, or in any cloud services provider. Through the integration into the Google Cloud ecosystem, it now also provides access to a broader range of media applications and workloads through the clouds, in areas such as containerization, AI, machine learning, and growing networks of Android TV and Google Ad insertion solutions, according to the Mediakind. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has issued a consultation paper seeking comments on standardization CAS, CAS meaning Conditional Access System, and Subscriber Management System SMS, System for Broadcast and Cable TV. TRAI said that it has received complaints from various broadcasters regarding the distribution of pirated signals, much of which occurs due to the deployment of CAS and SMS that do not comply with the security protocols as per extant standard. The regulatory authority sees the needs for compliance with minimum technical specification before CAS and SMS systems are installed and has brought out the consultation paper to deliberate upon the deployment of substandard systems, underlying ill effects and possible remedial measures. Korean bank fined $86 million for compliance shortfall transfer and funds to Iran. The industrial Korean bank, one of the South Korea's largest banks, will pay $86 million to settle U.S. and New York state criminal and civil charges that the bank allowed an illegal transfer of more than $1 billion to Iran that violate U.S. sanctions. YOTI SYNETICS introduced biometric digital identity and eKYC risk assessment onboarding project for banks. YOTI and SYNETICS Solutions have jointly developed Project Endeavor, real-time electronic digital identity and KYC risk assessment onboarding solutions with facial biometrics for the banking industry. The project is based on intelligence from Dow Jones Risk Solutions and is supported by the Regulatory and Compliance Division of law firm Everhead Sutherland Conexo. Through their initiatives, the two companies want to make financial services more accessible for a young and digital-savvy market segment, as well as cut down cost and time required to verify identity and run real-time due diligence checks. Capgemini released its World Fintechs Report 2020. Fintechs collaboration is even more essential now for banks to achieve customer centricity. Capgemini and EFMA today published the World Fintech Report 2020, revealing that despite a widening gulf between traditional banks on one side and big techs and challenger banks on the other, traditional banks have an opportunity to thrive in today's market by embracing open X and becoming intensive banks. Capgemini's report highlights 21% of banks suffer a lack of agility that in more than 19% of cases has impacted project ROI. The remedy can be found in the choice of an appropriate implementation partner, enhances the report. Thus end the edition of STVN News, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to click on the notifications bell and go on Twitter, Instagram, and of course on safety.com to get all hot topics on compliance and innovation.